Want to bring back the classic Start menu on your Windows computer? OpenShell is a free application that lets you customize the Start menu and restore a more traditional Windows experience. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to install OpenShell in 2026. First, open your web browser and visit the official OpenShell website or its official download page. Download the latest version that's compatible with your version of Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement and continuing with the default installation options, unless you want to customize which OpenShell components are installed. Yeah, the installation usually finishes in just a few moments. After the installation is complete, launch OpenShell from the Start menu or by opening the OpenShell menu settings application. This is where you'll customize how your Start menu looks and behaves. Next, choose the Start menu style you prefer. OpenShell offers several layouts, including classic styles and a Windows 7-inspired design. You can preview each option before applying it. Finally, apply your settings and open the Start menu to test the new look. If you'd like, you can return to OpenShell settings at any time to customize skins, icons, and additional features. And that's how to install OpenShell in 2026. With your new Start menu in place, you can personalize Windows to match your preferred style and workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.